firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. To find the sentence for this video, it will be under August 11th, but other than that, the date is just used as an example. Okay? So let's get started. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Can you say them with me? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months in 1 year. Today we're talking about August. August is in the season of summer. There are 4 seasons in the year. There's spring, summer, fall, winter. Some people call fall autumn. Right now, we're talking about summer because we're talking about August. And that is our hottest season. People go swimming, they go to beaches. That's the summer. After our hottest season, the summer starts to cool down in the fall. The leaves will change colors, they'll fall off the trees. After fall is winter, our coldest season, and in many places it snows in the winter. After our coldest season, it's spring. It starts to warm up again. The leaves come back on the trees, flowers bloom, baby animals are born, and then it's summer again. So these are our 1, 2, 3, 4 seasons in the year. We're talking about August. Let me get your paper that you need. If you have this paper, you could take it out now, and you can circle August. That's the month we're talking about. August comes after July and before September. Now we're going to figure out what day it is in August by counting. So let's figure out what comes after 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a 1 and a 1. That's how you make 11. Now we have to figure out what color our 11 should be because we're doing an ABB pattern for the month of August. Red, black, black. Red, black, black. Red, black, black. Red, black, black. Red. What is it? Black. We need a black 11. So if you're using this paper, you can find 11. 11 comes after 10 and before 12. How do I say August 11? I don't say it that way. If I say the date, I say August 11th. Today is August 11th. That's how I say it. Okay? We're going to do this paper next, the days of the week. Our letter of today is U. The short vowel U says like up. The long vowel U says U, like in unicorn, universe, mule, U. Long vowel letters say their name. U. Okay? We're going to sing our 7 days of the week song. If you know it, you can sing along. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days in 1 week. And today is Tuesday. So if you have your days of the week, it says today is, you circle Tuesday. And if today is Tuesday, what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday means the day before, right? What day was it? Yesterday. yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. So you would circle Monday. Tuesday, yesterday's Monday. If today is Tuesday, what day is it tomorrow? Wednesday. So down here you circle Wednesday. Okay? That's what that should look like. Okay. See, today's Tuesday. Yesterday would be Monday. If today's Tuesday, tomorrow would be Wednesday. These are our 7 days of the week. We said we're talking about August, and that's in the summer. If I look out my window, I can see the weather, and today is not hot and sunny where I live. It is very rainy, and it is warm. Even though it's raining, it's warm here. Can't go swimming, it's not hot. It's not cool, I'm not cool. And I'm not cold, it's not freezing. It's warm. It's not sunny at all. It's pretty cloudy, but I say it's rainy because in addition to clouds, there are rain. So that's what I am using as my biggest description of the weather. Very rainy today. Where you live, it might be cloudy, it might be windy, and if you're watching this in the season of winter, then it may be snowy. So that is our weather. You can do your weather graphing. You pick one thing that describes your weather the most: sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy, or windy, and you do the square right above. And then something that describes the temperature: hot or warm. Hot is swimming, warm is pretty hot but not swimming, or cold or cool. Cold is freezing and cool is not quite freezing. And you color the square above, and that's your weather report. Okay? Put that away. We're going to move on to math. We're going to start by counting by 2s and counting by 5s. Get that out. If you have this, you can use this. You can print these at firststepreading.com under Math Free Worksheets. You read the numbers in black for 2s. You read the numbers in black for 5s. If not, you could do it with me up here. We're going to read the numbers in green for 2s, the numbers in black for 5s, and we're going to all read up here together. When we get to 10s, they're in red. Okay? So let's get started. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Great job. Now let's read by 10s together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's by 2s, by 5s, and by 10s. Please continue to practice your 2s, your 10s, and your 5 worksheets, okay? You have to practice them a lot or you will forget. Now I'm going to do math. And this week we're talking about tally marks. Okay? This is the number 1. This is 1 tally mark. This is the number 2. This is 2 tally marks. This is the number 3. This is 3 tally marks. This is the number 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. This is the number 5. And this is 5 tally marks. Pay attention. It changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I crossed it at 5. Now I'm going to go all the way up to 10 today. Okay? This is the number 6. And this is 6 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more. Okay? This is the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This is the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? I'm running out of room, so I'm going to do 10 up here. Okay? Do my 1 over here. Here's the number 10. Pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. 10 is 2 5s, right? That's how we make tally marks. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 we cross, right? Our number 5 we do 4, and then we cross. 6 is a 5 and a 1, right? 1 cross and then 1 more. 7 is a 5 and 2 more. 8 is a 5 and 3 more. 9 is a 5 and 4 more, okay? And 10 is 2 5s. Okay? So this is one of the worksheets that we're working on. We're going to go up to 10 today. So I have to figure out what number this is. I figure it out by counting the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I write the number 5. Now I count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I write the number 4. Now I count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more, 6. Now this one, 1, 2. Now this one I need to draw the tally marks. So it says draw 3, 1, 2, 3. Draw 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross at 5. Draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now practice your tally marks. It helps if you count each one as you're writing it. Okay? Remember to cross at 5. And every time you get to a 5, like 10, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because you can't have more than 4. After 4, you cross at 5, okay? So 5 you cross, and 10 you have 2 5s, right? That's how you make 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Okay? So keep practicing up to 10. The worksheets go all the way up to 20. But today, I just want you to go up to 10, okay? You could do any of the worksheets. And if it goes past 10, like these ones, don't do those ones, okay? But these ones, see, it's the same worksheet, but it does not go past 10. That one doesn't go past 5, and this one doesn't go past 10. So there's a lot of different worksheets online that you can print and practice. Making tally marks and counting and making numbers, okay? Tally marks are really good because they actually show you addition. When you look at them, right, you see 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. You see 3, you see 4, you see 5, and then you see, look, 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So it's really cool. It shows you 5s broken down. Okay. So So we also have this worksheet where you can practice with tally marks with popsicle sticks. You can do that as well. Mine have stickies on the back just so you can see and they don't fall. But I can practice making tally marks using popsicle sticks because they're the right shape, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And after I get to 4, here, let me take this one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, right, my number 5 has to go across. So you won't need to worry about it sticking. I just have to have it stick because otherwise it would fall down, right? But you can use popsicle sticks to practice 5 all the way up to 10 or all the way up as many as you want. Every 5 you cross. These are easy to count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I was doing 6, now I start just regular again because I already have up to 5. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, and then cross at 10. Okay, so that's practicing with popsicle sticks. Now we're going to move on to science. I'll start on this side. We're talking about the Arctic. The Arctic is very cold. Remember, we've been talking about habitats, places where animals live, their different homes. We talked about the ocean last week, rainforest and desert. And this week we talked about grassland. My grass hasn't grown yet, but we planted grass seeds and we put different animals that live in grasslands. Like in Africa we have zebras and giraffes and elephants and rhinoceroses. In other parts of the world, you have deer. In Africa, you also have lions that live in the grassland. So we're going to make a collection of habitats. If your adult has an empty jar you can use, that's a good thing to use to make your habitat. This is grass seeds and dirt, and we're going to water it, and then the grass will grow really tall. Today, we're talking about the Arctic. I just wanted to show you the picture. Some Arctic animals are polar bears, penguins, walruses, whales. So Arctic is near the North Pole. It is absolutely freezing there. Not many animals can survive, and there's not many plants that can survive in the Arctic. It is too cold, right? So something interesting is there's times in the Arctic where it gets almost zero sun, right? There's almost no light. This is all the way at the top. It's extremely cold, even in the summer in the Arctic. So the animals that live in the Arctic need to have something in their bodies to keep them warm. They have blubber or fat. They have a layer of fat under their skin that helps keep the warm inside their body. And some of them also have fur on top of that helps to keep even more warm in their body because it is so cold in the Arctic. So tomorrow we're going to do experiment with the Arctic. Today we'll make our Arctic habitat. Tomorrow we're going to do this experiment. We're going to put our fingers in ice water, and then we're going to cover our fingers in blubber, and then stick it in the ice water and see if it makes a difference. And then we're going to cover our fingers in blubber and a glove and see if it makes our finger any warmer. That's what we're going to do tomorrow to do an experiment about how animals stay warm in the Arctic because it's so cold. But you could do this one today, or you can even start that one today. You can cut out your Arctic animals. This one has a polar bear, a whale, and a walrus, and you can glue them in your Arctic habitat. Okay? So we'll work on Arctic today. Let me show you how I'm making my Arctic habitat. So the first thing I'm going to do, I could not find many stickers of Arctic animals, so this is your Arctic worksheet. I made 2 copies, right? One to do as a worksheet and one for my habitat. You can do this with any of your habitats if you want. Cut out the worksheets animals, right? So I'm going to cut out my polar bear. I'm going to cut out, this one has a penguin. This one has a walrus. So I cut out my animals. Then I'm going to tape it to the outside of my jar. Because if I tape it on the inside and I add water, that won't work. Okay? So I'm going to tape it on the outside, but with the picture facing the inside. So that way, when I look through my jar, I can see the animals and it will look like they're in the habitat. So I have some animals. Oop, there was water in my jar. So there's a polar bear, a walrus, and a penguin in my jar. See? Next step, I'm going to put ice, right? Because in Arctic it is very cold. Then I'm going to put, I took some little containers and I made my more giant ice cubes, right? I wanted to make different shape ice cubes, but they have to be able to fit in the top of my jar. Right? If my ice can't fit in my jar, then I can't use it. So I have lots of different ice in my Arctic. You see my animals? Then I'm going to fill it up with some water under my ice. And that, I think I put too much water. And that is my Arctic habitat. Okay, I have my animals that you could see. Don't forget this will melt because it's not cold in my house. But I have ice and animals in my ice. And that is how I'm making my Arctic habitat. Because in the Arctic, it is full of ice and freezing water. Okay? I found some whale stickers. You can try to use them, but the problem is you're using water. So look, if I put my stickers, they might just fall off. But I put some whale stickers and some walrus stickers and some seal stickers. I could do that as well if I want for my Arctic habitat. You'll have to keep replenishing it, pouring out the water and adding more ice because we don't have an environment that's freezing like it is in the North Pole, so that ice will melt where we live. Okay, so that is our science. Now I'm going to move on to language arts. First, let me move all this. We're going to sing our song about vowels, and then we'll read our sentence. A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. O is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. U is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. U is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Those are our vowels, our vowels, our vowels. Those are our vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Now, these 5 letters are called vowels. Any other letter is called a consonant. In long vowel words, the consonants make their sound, and the first vowel is going to say its name, and the second vowel is going to say nothing. So let's sing that song, because we're working on vowel, consonant, vowel, long vowel U today. Vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel. The first vowel says its name, U. The second vowel says nothing. Now we'll read our sentence. Okay, let me fix it. The in. Okay. So our sight words are has, a, and in today. Remember, your sight words are the words you need to memorize. Has, a, and in. These are from book 1. They will repeat. You will see these words in lots of books all the time. They are the most popular words that you see when reading. So you need to memorize these words so you don't have to stop and think. When you see these words, you should just know them. You memorize your sight words. You do not memorize any word that's not a sight word. You sound it out if you don't know. So first I'm going to underline my sight words. Has, a, and in. Those I should know. Then I'm going to circle my phonics words. These ones I sound out. I see I have two consonants next to each other. That's a blend. So I'll add that up here. We say that first before we try to do the rest of the word. Okay, so let's start. I'll underline my vowels. Because the first vowel is going to say its name. The second vowel is going to say nothing in long vowel words, right? In short vowel words, the vowels make their sound. Okay, consonants make their sound. L, U, K, look. Has, a, blend these first. Fl, ute, flute. In, a, cube, cube. Luke has a flute in a cube. That is my sentence I am practicing today. Okay? Long vowel U. Word families U-K-E, U-T-E, and U-B-E. I'll show you the book. I'll show you where we're at. We're here. U-T-E, U-L-E, and U-B-E. Same word families, okay? Cute, flute, mule, cube. These are the words that we're working on, okay? And the sight words are listed right here. Is, a, with, his, and in. They are part of your sight words, all of them, okay? So you need to know those ones. It will help you understand the story better. Okay? That's where we're at in the book. So do your sentence, practice your sight words with the videos and flashcards. Practice your long vowel U. You can watch your long vowel U, vowel, consonant, vowel U video. That will help you with this. If you need more help, you can work on your Arctic worksheet and your tally marks worksheets, okay? And we're going to continue tomorrow. We're going to go even further with tally marks because this is August, so it's like a review of what we learned. But if it gets too hard, you can always just stop. If you can only do your tally marks up to 5, just work on them up to 5. You don't have to continue. Okay? I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye. Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading, and follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.